Hi guys, I'm Delora and I'm here with you to dance. Today we will learn with you very interesting movement which will help you to improve your technical skills and also will help you to make a beautiful body shape to save the muscles of your belly. Okay? And also, as we did such classes before with you, right now I would want to make our way of this communication to be a little bit more traditional. So we will meet here for learning new movements and new combination every Saturday. And I'm very happy about this. What about you? So let's go. Today we do with you a movement which is called slider. What is slider? Try to remember. It's a sink made from two pieces and they move like one, another, and they move softly and smoothly. For this case, we have hips and we have chest. First, we will start to move with our hips. What we do, we have a soft knees, pelvis in, chest up, shoulders back and down, chin up, and smile. This is the most important muscles of the belly dance. If you don't smile, no movement. Okay, so what we do, we will move our hips parallel to floor. Please pay attention, it's very important information. It must be parallel to floor. So we keep this line and we go to the left and to the right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Left, and pay attention, when we move to the left, our muscles are contracted on the left, so this part is working so much. That's why it helps to develop your belly shape. To the right, our right side is working now. Left, right, left, right. Cool, and I will show you with the knees. When you move to the left side, you push yourself a little bit with the right leg, and the right knee goes up, your right hip goes up, and it pushes a little bit to the side. Please pay attention that I don't make my left hip to go down. It just goes to the side. Right side, it's opposite. I push myself with the left leg. So left, right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Great. Now we will move with you with the chest. The logic is similar. We have parallel line to the floor, is here, and we don't turn our shoulders to the left or to the right. It's just parallel to floor. We just move the chest. It's like, imagine something here, and like you wanted to touch the wall with the right side here and with the left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Pay attention that we don't turn our shoulders. We don't move the chest. We just move like a slider, 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 slider. Cool, I believe you did great. Now we combine it together and we make to look it a little bit more complicated. Ready? Let's go. I move a little bit to the right side. My knees are still soft, pelvis in, chest up, shoulders back and down, as well. And I move only with my hips now to the left side. My left hip, and now my chest start to run for the left hip. Chest. Again to the right. Right hip, chest to the right. Left, left. Right, right. Left, left. Right, right, faster, left, left, right, right, 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 more fast. And left, right, right, accounting, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, chick, 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 chick. Cool. I believe you did a super good work. Even if it was a little bit challenging for you, it just needs some time, and with time you will be better. I believe in this. So, just relax, train, and next Saturday we meet here again.